Peace. Good morning, YouTube family. It's a beautiful morning. We got some new nature. Yeah, I'm in a new location now. Moved out the parents' house. I know it's been a little minute since my last video, but I missed you guys. I've been healing, doing the shadow work, taking action a little bit day by day. Look at that, man. This is gorgeous. Look where we at. But I believe I titled this video, Why You Can't Sleep at Night, and how you can fix that. And it's really simple, guys. It's really simple. It's because you're not tiring out your body, your mind effectively. Because if you did, you'd be too tired and exhausted at the end of the day, and you will sleep in peace. I've been getting amazing sleep, guys. At least 7 hours a night. I'm feeling fucking great. You already know we're retaining our sexual energy out here. We're feeling good, loving life every day, giving thanks for life that we woke up today. Simple things, guys, simple things. And that's another reason why you can't sleep at night. You're not grateful for what you have right now. And when you're not grateful for what you have right now, you're blocking all the blessings God is trying to give you. You have to be grateful right now. And that will translate into the external. Look at this, guys. You never know where you could be at in 6 months from now. You could be in a completely different situation, spiritually, financially, physically, emotionally. But that leads into the next reason why you can't sleep at night. It's because you lack patience. Everyone's focused on the manifestation. When is my manifestation gonna come? Man, the joke's on you guys, because it's not about the manifesting. It's about what you're doing while you're waiting. It's about the process of what you're doing while you're waiting. When you hit the bed at night, it's because you can't. Oh my God, look at this bird. It's a red wing. Beautiful. Yeah, guys, you want to tire yourself out at the end of the day. You want to lay your head on the pillow and fall right asleep. You don't want to be scrolling in bed. When I go to bed, I'm too tired to even look at my phone. So if you've fallen off your path, I hope this can bring you back. And let me know if you're still watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment what's keeping you guys up at night. Maybe I missed some things. We're all different. We're all going through different shit at different times. But I'm about to finish this run. I'm about to go meditate at the beach. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.